Xanadude here, outside the Majestic TD again, side of the Bruins, 6-2 victory over the Carolina Hurricanes.
When the Hurricanes come in town, and we, the Warrior fans, sit there and do what we gotta do, all you gotta know is that we will be reaching for the stars all day. The rocket ships. All I gotta know is that you got Xanadude. You got the big scary man guy. And all you gotta do is take it all out, baby. The Warriors. We're gonna do what we need to do. We got everybody. It doesn't make a difference. We load the rocket ships. It doesn't make a difference. We have everybody in the galaxy ready to go. Bruins, here we go. And we're gonna win the Stanley Cup. And if you got a problem with that, we're gonna tell you what it is. Bruins, let's go!
We recap. All right, so thank you. Wait, who are you, the Warrior? Who is he? Just the Bruins Warrior?
Bruins Warrior.
Bruins Warrior. Thank
one.
you, Bruins Warrior. Thank you, big scary man guys. Thank you, guy with the hat. All right, so Bruins come in. They trounce the Carolina Hurricanes 6-2. They come in. They go up 2-0 at the end of the first period. And then they continue on to absolutely destroy the Carolina Hurricanes. They go up 2-0 in the Stanley Cup Eastern Conference.
What you gonna do when we go Warrior on you?
So, I can't really top that. It's rare for the Xanadude to find someone he can't top, but I think we might have found it, so I'm just gonna yell really loud as we make our way on to winning the Stanley Cup. Let's go, Bruins! Once again, let's go, Bruins! Last time, let's go, Bruins!